Web hosting definition: when a hosting provider allocates a space on a web server for a website to store its live its files. They are hosting a website. Web hosting making the files that comprise a website code, images, and available for viewing online. Every website you have ever visited is hosted on a server. The amount of space allocated on a server to a website depends on the type of hosting. The main type of hosting share dedicates VPS and seller. They are different by the kind of technology used for the server, the level of management provided, and the additional service on offer. In a nutshell, web hosting is the process of retaining or buy space to house a website on the World Wide Web. Website content such as HTML, CSS, and image has to be housed on a server to be viewable online. What exactly is a server? A server is a computer that connects other user to your site from anywhere in the world. As the name implies, web hosting service provider have the servers connectivity and associated service to host websites. By offering a variety of hosting plans, they cover the spectrum of hosting needs from small blogs and large organizations. If you are planning on creating an online presence, reliable web hosting is essential. There are literally hundreds of web hosts available today, providing thousands of varieties of web hosting service. Plans range from free with limited option to expensive web hosting service specialized for business. The plan you choose will depend primarily on how you plan to use your website and how much you have budget for hosting. Choosing the right hosting plan will mean having access to the right allocations of resources to keep your website loading quickly and reliably for your visitor. Think about how many businesses these days operate primarily online. Their sales and business leads come from their website. If someone lands on a website and there's a problem, it takes too long to load or does not appear at all, potential customers would not wait around. They will bounce off that site in search of one that works correctly and can deliver what they are looking for seamlessly. If you are new to operating a website, web hosting and related lingo can be a puzzling topic. Many advise website owners has used the cheapest option or anything bundle with their domain name purchase under the mistaken belief that all hosting options are essentially the same. They can be a costly mistake. This article interesting to need to know about web hosting. How choosing the right one is important to the success of your website, all in simple filled manner. You will understand how does web hosting work. Web hosting happens when the files that make up a website are uploaded from a local computer to onto a web server. The servers resources RAM and hard drive space and bandwidth are located to the website. Using it, the reason of server resources varies depending on the type of hosting plans chosen. To choose the appropriate hosting plan, you first need to differentiate between the plans available. This does not have to be complicated for the non-technical readers. Let's use a simple analogy. Choosing web hosting is similar to searching for office space. How do you decide which type of office space is right for your needs? Is a workstation in an open co-working space enough, or the next best thing, an office within a business center? Do you have intention to expand quickly or accept a lot of people coming and going? Would you consider renting an entire building or world building your own space a bill? Aside from the style of office you use, there are other considerations: how easy the rooms are to access, which functions they offer extras such as a whiteboard, high speed internet, and other facilities, and where are they located, and the all over cost. These considerations will determine your needs and help decide which type of office is right of you. Let's compare the selection process to deciding which web hosting